this delivery development video, we're going to take a look at the proper steps in assembling the Mission Oak storage bed. There are 4 cartons to assemble this bed, including the headboard, footboard, side rails, and storage drawers. Begin by opening the headboard carton. In the headboard carton, you're going to find the 2 side legs, a hardware pack, and the stretcher bar. First, install the legs by using the 4 small Allen bolts. Start all these by hand before using a drill so that it doesn't cause cross-threading. Once all 4 are started by hand, you're going to go ahead and use a drill to tighten these down. After the legs are installed, you'll install the stretcher by using 1 small Allen bolt on each end, and then use the drill to tighten these into place. Next, you'll open the side rail carton, which contains the slats, storage drawer bar, the legs, and the hardware pack. Begin by removing the 1/2-inch bolts from the hardware pack, and you're going to start these into the headboard legs by hand. After these are started by hand into the headboard legs, you're going to hook the side rails down over them, making sure that the washer is in between the plates on the rails and the headboard. After these are in place, you're going to tighten them down with either the supplied 1/2-inch wrench, or if you have a 1/2-inch drill with a socket. Next, you'll open up the footboard carton, and with the footboard carton you'll do the same thing by installing the 1/2-inch bolts and then installing the rails. And you'll take the stretcher bar, which has guides on it. This is a support brace for the side drawers. You're going to install the short support legs first. After this is complete, you'll set these into position. This runs from one rail to the other, and you're going to use 2 small Allen bolts to fasten this into place. After this is set into place, be sure to adjust the adjusters on the bottom of the short legs so that they're about 1/4 inch off the ground. Now with the storage drawer frame for the footboard, first you're going to install the short support legs to the bottom side of this, and then the longer support leg gets fastened to the top. To set this into place, you'll line up with the dowel that's located on the center of the footboard. Once that is set in, you'll use 2 small Allen bolts to fasten the frame into place. Next, you'll open up the storage drawer carton, and with the storage drawers, you'll line up the glides, set them in, and take a gentle bit of pressure to push them in, and they'll slide into place. Then you'll find the 1 slat that has the hole in the center, and you're going to fasten that to that support that was just placed in with the small Allen bolt. With the center support slats that have the center barrel nuts, you're going to install the long center support legs, set these into place evenly across the bed, and then fill in the gaps with the plain straight slats. Once all the slats are evenly spaced out, you're going to use the remainder of the wood screws to fasten each one to the rails.